create your NFT collection using Metaplex Creator Studio. In studio.metaplex.com. We go to sign up for Creator Studio, then connect wallet. Our Phantom wallet is detected. Click on it and connect your wallet. Sign the terms of use in your wallet, and we're ready to start creating an NFT. We can drag our artwork to the drag and drop section and start filling the basics form. Give your NFT a name, description, a relevant link. We got 3 options for NFT. 1 of 1 if only 1 token is to be minted. Limited edition for a specific amount to be minted. An open edition for unlimited amount. Select your choice and set the secondary sales royalties, the percentage the creators will receive for every secondary sale. If we want to add any properties to our NFT, we can do so in the Properties tab. We'll hit continue in the bottom right corner. Now in the split tab, you can add more creators or a charity wallet to receive a split of the sale. We're leaving it like that. We're adding our NFT to a collection, either by creating a new collection or use an existing one. We will create a new collection since we haven't created any collections yet. So select an image for the collection, a name, and a description. We continue to get the review page. And if you're okay with all the information, click create. Now our NFT is being created. Wait for the image and metadata to upload. Then we have to sign the transaction to add the NFT to the collection, and finally sign the transaction to create the NFT. We get an NFT creator message. We'll share our creation on Twitter and can copy our NFT account address. Click on the view icon to see your NFT, and it should also show in your Phantom wallet. Happy minting!